Hey guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man. I am on my new property. When I say my property, yes it is. My new property. This doesn't look anything like the whole building's a different color. My first day here today. Well, second, I've been here before. But my first job to do as being maintenance director is to make sure I clean up this property and get it nice and cleaned. So my first job today is pressure washing. Though, well, not too bad, but this building doesn't have any gutters, so we're gonna fix that. But I've already done the sidewalks with the hydro scrubber. Little guy over there. 4,000 PSI pressure washer with a 5,000 PSI pump upgrade on it. And all this stuff right here is black. It was. And I had a lot of mud daubers nests I've knocked off. So, and those are all bug parts, and half of them are on me. So, my first job, pressure washing. The job I hate the most. But, has to be done. And if I don't do it good, then it's on me. Because I'll be the director and I'll have to do it anyway. So. But guys, yes, I'm going to start sometime in June on this property. I'm just here helping out the maintenance guy that's about to leave, the maintenance director. But see how all the black stuff is on there? Because I don't have gutters. I'm gonna hit that real quick because water's gonna get into soffits, but it shouldn't be too bad. And I see a list right there. That's a burned up lens cover. And I gotta cut, everything's P-Tax, guys. No more Aeon unit. I got a generator here, a biggie, a little big generator, kind of like the one that's on the last property that I showed you. So just one generator, P-Tac units, and pressure washing sidewalks today. So, and brand spanking new generator, by the way. So. Guys, I will see you on the next one. I can't show you around everything. I can't give you the grand tour just yet because I really don't work here, but yet. But even way over here, I'm gonna have fun with that. Y'all see that right there, I guess. There's a lift station. I'm responsible for that too. Ah, lovely. So, yep, finished up the sidewalk. Gonna get this black stuff off. Make it look like that one down there, and we'll be going. I'll be here again tomorrow, and then I'll start, like I said, I'll start sometime in June, something, when they get my background drug test, driver's background test, and they're gonna send me training to drive a bus. So a lot of stuff on my plate, so I'm gonna have to get out my bigger fork. Guys, I'm Jeff the Maintenance Director. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. We'll see you on the next one.